The JOYALENS JL249PS Digital Microscope stands out with its 3 interchangeable lenses that cover everything from casual coin inspection to detailed biological study. Its 10-inch ultra-high-definition display makes long observation sessions much more comfortable than peering through traditional eyepieces, especially for users who wear glasses. The microscope can output over HDMI or USB and works smoothly with a computer or television, which is ideal for teaching, collaboration, and documenting findings. Built-in photo and video capture with the included memory card turns this into a capable imaging station, letting you record high-resolution stills and clips without extra gear. A generously sized, adjustable stage with a pass-through opening and interchangeable backdrops makes it easy to position full-size coins, prepared slides, and other specimens for optimal lighting and focus. Multiple adjustable light sources, including twin flexible side lamps and a bottom illuminator, provide excellent control over contrast and glare, so fine details are easier to see.